Are you wondering how to start an LLC for pool cleaning business? Today, you will learn about the most common ways to start your pool cleaning business, including the correct forms you'll need, how to register your LLC, critical naming requirements, and all other vital tips and tricks. Then, as a bonus later on in the video, I will reveal to you a trustworthy company called Northwest Registered Agent, which will help set up your LLC for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. You can learn more about them by clicking the link in the description box below. The pool cleaning industry is thriving, so if you live in an area with many residential or commercial pools, starting your own pool cleaning business might make for a promising opportunity. While pool cleaners need to be organized, have attention to detail, and have strong customer service skills, this business is a relatively easy one to start. Requiring only a minimal financial investment, starting a pool cleaning business might be a practical option for you. Pool cleaning businesses offer a variety of services to the owners of residential and/or commercial pools, hotels, apartments, fitness centers, and hot tubs. Cleaning a pool is a multi-step process, and in a single appointment, a pool cleaner or pool technician will remove any debris from the pool, test and adjust the chemical levels as needed, clean out the catch baskets, clean the filters, and clean the bottom of the pool with a brush or a vacuum. These services are necessary to preserve a pool's life and keep the water bacteria-free and safe for swimmers. While the process isn't too difficult, it is time-consuming, so many pool owners opt to hire a pool cleaner to come in at scheduled times and maintain their pool. In addition to these services, some pool cleaners branch out into offering pool equipment repair services, and they may troubleshoot issues, then order and install replacement parts of the pool filter, pump, and more. The swimming pool cleaning services industry saw a 6.3% annual growth from 2014 to 2019, with businesses reaching 65,421 and employment at 98,996. Expected 2019 profits show a 4.1% increase, and industry revenue is set to exceed $6 billion. This growth is attributed to rising disposable income, enabling homeowners to afford pool services, while new constructions expand the customer base and industry income. If you're thinking about starting your own pool cleaning business, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Here is a step-by-step guide to get started with your pool cleaning business. Step 1. Write a business plan. After coming up with the idea, the next step in starting your business should be to write a business plan. Not only will a bank require you to have a business plan, but multiple studies have shown that a business plan helps increase the odds of starting a successful business. Step 2. Form a business entity. A business entity, also referred to as a business structure, refers to how a business is legally organized to operate. There are 4 primary business structures to choose from, which include the sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Each type of entity has its own pros and cons, such as liability exposure, costs, and administrative requirements. When deciding on which business entity is best for a pool cleaning business, it normally comes down to the sole proprietorship and limited liability company. The sole proprietorship is the least expensive and easiest entity to start, which is appealing. The downside is that the owner is personally liable if anything happens to the business, which is an important consideration. On the other hand, the LLC offers the ability to operate as a sole proprietorship with the liability protection of a corporation. Depending on the state, the cost to form an LLC runs from $40 to $500, which is pretty inexpensive for protecting the owners from business-related lawsuits and certain debts. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Get top-notch privacy protection with Northwest. Pay just $39 plus state fees and enjoy a free registered agent for a year. Check in the description box to get started. Step 3. Name the business. Finding the perfect business name can be challenging. Not only does the name have to resonate with your customers, but it also has to be available to use. Step 4. Select your location. Since a pool cleaning business works at their customer's location, some smaller operations work out of their home, while others will usually use a small warehouse space. Step 5. Register for business licenses and permits. Several states require licensing or certifications in order to professionally clean pools through the health department. While not licensing, certification can be helpful as a professional development opportunity and a way to market your business more effectively. The Pool and Hot Tub Alliance offers the Certified Pool and Spa Operator certification. There are also general business registrations that may be needed, such as a business license, sales tax permit, or employer identification number, among others. Step 6. Find financing. Coming up with a good business idea and having the skills to run it are one thing, but getting the funding to start a pool cleaning business is another. While the cost to start a pool cleaning business isn't large, loans can be difficult to get. In order to get a loan, the borrowers will need to have good credit and be able to personally invest 15 to 25% towards the total startup costs. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Keeping your small business and personal finances in separate bank accounts is important to track the income and expenses of your business and identify trends. Many banks offer free business checking accounts, so be sure to find a cost-effective option for your business. Step 8. Get your marketing plan in place. Any business will need to market its services to build up a client base. Pool cleaners can use a variety of marketing techniques, including handing out flyers and business cards, social media marketing with before and after shots on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram, targeted direct mail, and more. Building a referral relationship with local pool installers who don't do pool cleaning, landscapers, contractors, or handymen can also be an excellent referral source. Step 9. Get business insurance. There are several types of insurance to consider when starting a pool cleaning service. A few of these include: general liability insurance protects the business if customers are ever injured due to the business work, and this type of insurance can cover expenses like medical bills or legal fees. Commercial property insurance can cover expenses that result if the business property is damaged. Commercial auto liability insurance covers any vehicle used for business purposes, and it can pay for expenses that can result from an accident. The cost to insure a pool cleaning business will vary according to the value of the equipment you want to insure, where the business is located, and the value of the vehicle used for the business. To get the most accurate idea of insurance costs, request quotes from multiple companies to compare. Be sure to consider factors like premiums, coverage limits and exclusions, and deductibles. Step 10. Hire employees. On average, it takes 30 minutes to clean a pool, plus travel time. As demand for a pool cleaning business grows, it may make sense to bring on additional employees to keep up with the work. Remember that hiring employees brings more expenses than just salaries. A business budget needs to include workers' comp insurance, paid time off, and payroll tax contributions. Step 11. Set up an accounting system. Setting up an accounting system is critical to the long-term success of your business. Staying on top of taxes not only keeps the business out of trouble with the government, but the numbers can be used to track and monitor trends in cash flow in the business and maximize profits. In conclusion, starting a pool cleaning business requires a minimal initial investment, making it an accessible option for many entrepreneurs. The necessary equipment and supplies can often be purchased for about $2,000, and some business owners decide to use their own personal truck, van, or SUV as they get their business up and running. Some common startup costs for a pool cleaning business includes tools like skimmers, vacuums, and brushes, water test kits, pool chemicals, and vehicle. Remember, when creating your sales projections, that this business experiences seasonality that varies on the location. Warmer areas have longer warm seasons, and those seasons track the seasonality of a pool business. There's no need to have a business degree to start a pool cleaning service, but certain skills and experience are helpful and can increase your chances of starting a successful business. Best of luck! If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you in your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.